A 3D printer nozzle made from Mosquito mouthparts has revolutionized bioprinting. Traditional ultra-fine nozzles frequently clog when printing sticky bioinks and cost hundreds of dollars. Researchers found the solution in mosquitoes. The Mosquito proboscis has a microchannel structure just 20 micrometers in diameter with a surface that prevents blood clotting, making clogs nearly impossible. It's also flexible yet strong enough to pierce human skin. The team extracted mosquito proboscises, reinforced them with special resin, and attached them to printer nozzles. The result: lines finer than white blood cells, twice the precision of commercial nozzles at just $1 each. With 86% cell survival during live cell printing, it's now being used in bioprinting to create artificial tissues.